Make money with images without camera. You are very passionate about photography, and you often take pictures of your meals, the landscapes you see while you travel, or your friends' portraits. Then share all your images on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. But did you know that by sharing your images you can make money? You can get cash just from the views of other people. So if you want to earn some good money, then watch this video carefully till the end, because if you skip the important part, then you skip the money. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. Taking pictures has always been a passion for so many people over the years. Most of them think that only professional photographers can earn money by clicking that shutter button. The truth is that today we're going to show you that someone who knows how to capture an image nicely on a camera, who does not even have a professional degree in photography, can earn a good amount of money from them. There's a website called ClickerSnap that offers the opportunity to passionate photographers to earn money for their photos. And the best part is that they don't even charge anything from the user. Basically, all you must do is post and be active, because you will need a lot of traffic to make this work. There are millions of subscribers who use the platform, and they can follow you, like your pictures, and most importantly, they can view your pictures. So if you post, interact, and send traffic to your profile a lot, just as you usually do on other websites, you are earning money on this site. There have been quite a few articles on the photographer regarding how photo sharing sites hurt the photographer. A good example is Unsplash, which is one of the most notorious photo sharing sites. The company takes the photographer's work, strips them of all their image rights, and does not pay them a single penny for the work they have taken. For them, payment is a form of exposure, and it is no surprise that we don't like how they operate. But on the other hand, ClickerSnap steps up to the plate. In other words, it's a company that wants to pay photographers based on how many times their images are viewed by individual viewers. So how does ClickerSnap work? Well, actually it's quite simple. It's possible for photographers to earn money by uploading their images, and according to what subscription they subscribe to. There are different ways to do so. There are a couple of ways to earn money from uploading photos. The first way is through views. Yeah, you heard me right, ClickerSnap is paying you $0.0025 for every view you receive. It is also possible to sell your images as digital downloads, and in some cases as physical products. Once a photographer earns $15, he or she can withdraw his or her funds. Super handy and profitable, right? So how come someone starts earning money from it? Well, when you arrive at the website, you'll be able to see several images which have been uploaded by photographers. When you sign up, there are various memberships from free to £6 per month. So what's the difference between a free and a premium account? Well, if you sign up for the free option, you will see advertisements, but you will still be able to earn from your photos. On the other hand, there is an image storage area, and you can upload an unlimited number of images, although there is a limit of 7 uploads per day. There is also the ad-free version, where you get paid based on views and use the same features as the free version. The difference is that the experience is faster. Next is Seller. If you want to sell digital products and physical items, then this is the one for you. You also get the same features as the previous two. Next is ProSeller. It is a small amount of money that will give you maximum exposure and a lot of exposure, as well as what you get from the other memberships. You get featured on the homepage. If you are a photographer, then this is probably what you should go for. That monthly fee should pay for itself pretty quickly. There's a store part where you can sell your photos as downloads or on one of their various products. Please make sure the photos you upload are your own. Your account will be deleted before you get your first payments if any photos are found that don't belong to you. You can put your own watermark on pictures, which is what I do most of the time. The site protects your photos from being downloaded or saved. So now that you have filled in your profile, you should make sure to include a brief description about yourself, including where you are from. You should add a profile picture unless it's a company. Also, make sure to add a header image. Your profile picture makes all the difference in whether someone stays on your profile and scrolls down. When uploading, give the file a title. A lot of people just upload and leave the name of the file as the title. You need a title for SEO, search engine optimization, so Google can index your photo. That's why it's so important. Give it a description of at least 300 words. The longer it takes people to read, the more chance a view on a photograph pays you. Paid views count after 5 seconds. Additionally, it will improve SEO. Moreover, it's better to upload fewer photos of the same thing. Upload one photo at a time. It won't overwhelm people when they click on your profile to see your other photos. They don't have to wade through a lot of similar photos, otherwise they would get bored and leave. After you've added some pictures and checked out other profiles, you should comment on others' photos. Try not to copy and paste the same thing, or the algorithm might think that you're spamming. You might get penalized. If you get comments on your photos, you're going to get paid views. If you reply and they come back later, you'll get another paid view. Don't worry about whether your photo is portrait or landscape. It doesn't matter if your photo is landscape or portrait. They both get similar views, but for optimal quality, you should upload at least 1200 pixels on the longest edge. If you want people to stay more than 5 seconds, upload only your best photos. You can group similar pictures in albums. Then you can share them. Don't forget to add your Google Analytics ID if you're using the Pro version. It's good for knowing where people come from and which photos perform well. And talking about money, ClickerSnap pays $0.0015 per view. I know it's not that much money, but just imagine how much that would be when compared to other platforms that are available. It's totally up to you if you decide to do it. Each time a post has been viewed 2,745 times, you will receive $15. On top of that, you'll also be paid when you sell your copyrighted photos. It is something that platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and many others don't offer. In other words, you can get money by simply uploading your work rather than getting nothing in return from other websites. This reminds me of a blog post where a bunch of ClickerSnap members replied that they were satisfied with the site. Also, because they were able to share their photos in high quality, which were visible to all members. This platform has very high ratings, and users highlight how useful it is to be a part of it to be able to take advantage of new opportunities. Moreover, if you have Twitter and Pinterest accounts, please make sure to use the auto-send feature for these accounts. In this way, you can increase the traffic to your photo. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.